And using then this, for example, features of cell phones, we can really increase a lot of our security. So I think we are just in time. Thank you very much for your presence and for your attention. And I will be happy to answer questions.
Yeah, I was wondering, do you consider the possibility of some of these people who are working in these areas, usually it seems they put some exit door or backdoor channels so that they can come in and do something, and what are the chances of something that's happening over the whole thing all of a sudden?
Yeah, I mean, actually that's a very good question. This is a rule of thumb in security. If anything bad happens, look inside people. That's the first source of problems. And of course, for example, in our architecture, you can design policies which make accountable not only outside people, but inside people. So everything, I mean, you do somehow will be attached to your ID. So if you download 10,000 social security numbers, it's clear who did it and when it did it. Okay, so that's the key word, accountability, which we believe that this type of architecture has much more flexibility than previous ones. So this is one way to handle this inside problem. And of course, if people are aware that they are watched in the sense that whatever they do is attached to their name, they will be much more careful.
I have actually a more philosophical question, because I see it in the future. Really, machines being very autonomous and being able to do actions without any user telling them to do anything. Like they can really monitor events and activate things. Like IBM was working on these autonomic systems where they can self-manage the systems. So how would that work with your idea that we want to attach identity? So this can be solved by which you will need to consider also machines or software as entities which must have an ID,
everything.
not
So,
only people.
For example, first of all, I don't think that's a good idea to leave everything on the hand of machines. But anyway, suppose that has been done by some mistake, then at least you will have accountability of that machine or that process. And as soon as something goes wrong, you know that this process went crazy or this machine went crazy.
So in any case, Professor Durresi is in UI to UI. So in case you are interested in getting papers or talking to him, you can get in touch with him. He once in a while comes to campus to visit the people in the CS department. If you are interested, let me know. I'll let you know when he comes next time.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much.